Are you interested in becoming a pro in Fortnite? Do you want to know more about being a pro in Fortnite? Get to know more about the Pro in Fortnite. Before we continue, please subscribe to our YouTube channel by hitting the subscribe button below to get a notification on our next video. Fortnite is an online video game created by Epic Games that was published in 2017. It comes in 3 different game mode variants, all of which share the same basic gameplay and game engine. Fortnite Save the World is a cooperative hybrid tower defense/shooter/survival game for up to 4 players. Fortnite Creative, a free-to-play battle royale game in which players are given complete freedom to create worlds and battle arenas. It is a free-to-play battle royale game in which up to 100 players compete to be the last person standing. Pro Fortnite players are Fortnite players that spend a lot of time playing Fortnite. But there's more to it than that. Professional Fortnite gamers do things that most regular players do not. And it is the decision to perform these things regularly that allows them to reach the top. You can now copy what they're doing to progress and achieve a professional level. In Fortnite, when you go pro, you'll be faced against 99 other players from all around the world. They'll have their playstyle and tricks, so you'll need to be prepared. Playing against as many people as possible is the best method to create your schemes. The amount of money a player earns is primarily determined by their skill level and the number of tournaments they compete in and win. Prize money for Fortnite contests continues to rise. For example, Epic Games increased its prize pool for the 2021 Fortnite Champion Series, FNCS, to $20 million in January 2021, up from $17 million in January 2020. Kyle Giersdorf, better known online as Booga, is the highest earner in terms of tournament winnings, according to esports earnings. His anticipated earnings are around $3.14 million, with David Wong, Aqua, on $1.92 million, and Harrison Chong, Psalm, on $1.87 million. There are various steps you have to take in order to become a pro Fortnite. Firstly, you should hire a coach. Having an esports coach may or may not be the best way for you to learn. However, you won't know until you give it a chance. By hiring a coach, you will not become worse, but you will become much better in a significantly shorter period. The significant advantage in hiring a coach is that it cuts down the length of time it takes to progress. Getting a coach who is better and more experienced than you is nearly always a surefire approach to improve more quickly. Another advantage is learning how to accept criticism and advice, which is a complex ability for many people to master, but is essential if you want to be a professional Fortnite player. Another step you need to take to become a pro Fortnite player is to get the right gears for Fortnite. The appropriate equipment can make a massive difference in Fortnite's in-game performance. If you believe that acquiring decent gaming gear is all hype, note that you'll never see a pro using a mouse with a ball in it, if such a thing still exists, or a display from the 1990s. Why? You'll eventually have high-end gaming gear, so if you can get it now, you'll be better placed in your training. It's always ideal for training in the same manner as you'll compete. However, as you get into the higher-end gaming gear products, the distinctions between everything are relatively tiny, so there's no need to overcomplicate things. Try to get better at your skills in Fortnite. And also get more effective ways of practicing in Fortnite. Fortnite goes through a lot of adjustments daily. It doesn't alter nearly as much as some other games. Hence it would be best if you continue to get better in order to stay on top. Another step you should take if you want to become a pro Fortnite is to train like an athlete. Start training like an athlete if esports were actual sports and gamers were athletes. Many Fortnite players make mistakes in this area. They still believe that more is better when it comes to Fortnite, and they frequently overlook all other aspects of competitive preparation. Psychology and the mental side of things are incredibly crucial in esports. Professional esports teams are increasingly hiring sports psychologists. Another step in becoming a pro Fortnite is developing a reputation and personality in Fortnite. In every game, especially if you're playing with elite players, you must leave your print on the game. Even someone as basic as Stewie2K, the aggressive onliner who leaped through smokes for CS:GO, got famous. You can as well start streaming Fortnite. It is one of the best ways to create a personality. Being a professional gamer comes with the added pressure of performing in front of an audience. This show is a skill in and of itself. In order to become a pro Fortnite, you need to be a team player. If you're playing a team game, you'll need to communicate. Another step in becoming a pro athlete is to attend local tournaments for Fortnite. There are many expectations placed on you as a professional gamer paid by both an organization and sponsors. There is no set time restriction when it comes to getting proficient at Fortnite. However, it will take at least a year of constant play. It doesn't cost much to become a pro Fortnite. Once you can get your gears and probably a coach, you are set to go. The fantastic thing about becoming a pro Fortnite is that you don't need a degree. Conclusively, being a professional gamer necessitates a great deal of dedication. Professional esports players strive to be the greatest, and if that doesn't define you, you won't last long. Hope this video was helpful? Thanks for watching this video. Please share your opinions in the comments section below, and remember to click the subscribe button to be the first person to watch new videos on this channel.